went to kiss his neck and he giggled tee hee.
Nah.
And she put this to him.
Yo.
Stop.
I like
That's my tickle spot.
Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, man. You're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at a video, and it's basically these guys telling stories that were sent to them of how other guys fumbled a chance to get laid, pretty much, right? They had a chance to sleep with them, and you know they were right there, and then they did something stupid last minute. And they're just sharing those stories of how these guys did that, man. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Turn on post notifications. You don't want to miss anything. Drop a like. Help me get this video out there. And, you know, let me know what you think about the things these guys said. Because just from the thumbnail alone, I could tell that it's ridiculous how, like, you know, stupid some people can be in a situation, not knowing when to shut up and saying too much, you know what I mean? But we're just going to get right into it as usual. Appreciate you guys for watching, man. Peace.
Start telling stories about when a man fumbled some coochie from them and how he did that. Let's start identifying
Oh, I've
the
seen a couple
source.
of these. I have seen a couple of these.
So this is not the one you've got?
No.
Gang. Once a man sent me a video of himself jerking onto a plate. We didn't meet.
Bro, why would you do that? Why? Why would you do that?
He didn't know how to shuffle cards and kept spilling it out, and he would just giggle. It was
Yo, that is funny.
That
is
joke.
funny. That is
was
funny.
jokes.
it was gut wrenching.
The giggle is just too much.
We went on a date on Sunday, no sex. We were texting on Tuesday and he made a sexual joke. And I responded saying that's too spicy for him. He responded, but I ate it in the car, didn't I? The man was mixing up 2 days after a date. Instant block.
Oh,
He was mixing me up 2
With
days
the
after.
thing from the next
what
day.
a dumbass.
Ooh.
Man said, but I ate it in the car, didn't I?
Oh, wow.
She would have been like, what?
That's...
As soon as he pressed send, he knew he fucked up.
Yeah, he probably did. This guy would have probably been happy with the unsend feature that iPhone has now.
Knew he fucked
Oh,
up.
that's hilarious.
What a
But I
sicko.
ate it in the car, didn't I?
And probably said that shit with pride,
Said,
too.
didn't I? That
Weirdo.
sweets me.
Oh, no, that's long.
Like, are you
That
not
whole-
remembering?
I'll block both of them immediately.
Because I can't
I'm not
keep
I'm not dealing
fucking up like that.
Yeah, I'm not dealing with that.
We were watching a movie and I could feel him staring at me and he mumbled something under his breath. When I didn't respond, he said, bitch, I said I like you. He never
Bro,
saw him again.
that must be a drill man, bro.
That's true.
What is wrong with that young man?
Caps, bitch, I said I like you.
That is wild.
Fuck, man.
That's too funny.
Oh.
Wow. That's so funny.
I was unwell and he took me to get some flu powders.
Okay.
This man
Somewhat.
flu powders. That's what she wrote, bro. I'm only reading what she said.
I guess
don't
that's
know
like
what that means.
Theraflu.
That's
is
like
that?
crush paracetamol or something.
Yeah, flu powders.
Flu powders is what she wrote. I'm gonna start again.
Wow.
I was unwell and he took me to get some flu powders. This man gave me his coat in the store because I was cold. We walked out and get grabbed by security because he stole sweets,
Oh my
put them in the
God.
inside pocket of the coat he gave to me.
Oh my god, that is so
This is
embarrassing.
So funny.
That is
I
embarrassing.
couldn't get caught like that. I couldn't get caught like
That's
that.
embarrassing still.
He made her the fucking
The scapegoat.
Scapegoat, yeah.
Wow.
hell.
Sweets.
Or some
You're a
candy.
grown man. Stealing sweets.
That's wild.
Fuck.
I would dart off.
Yeah, 100%.
Bro,
I
100%.
would leave her in this queue.
You
gotta
and
be
I'd
out.
dart off.
I gotta be out,
Take
bro.
My coat and the sweets I stole. I'm gone.
That's
I'm
embarrassing.
gone.
I probably got booked for that.
Alright, no hand soap in the bathroom. I had to take the coochie off the table after that.
That's
I
nasty.
can imagine.
That's
Yeah,
nasty.
that's
That's poor.
poor.
Yo.
Where's the soap?
No hand
Huh?
soap.
Why do you have no soap? What are you
That's
washing your
easy
hands
off
with?
the
Are
table.
you
Nah,
even
you're
washing
not
your hands with
fucking
water?
You're
Like
actively
nothing.
fucking me.
We were trying to pick a movie to watch, and he grabbed the remote and turned on high school football highlights.
Oh my god.
After about 15 minutes, I told him I wasn't feeling it, and he apologized. Went to YouTube and played/rapped his own
Oh
song.
my god.
No,
This
he
guy
didn't.
this guy's just triple double the threat, bro. The man said, "Oh, you don't like watching me play? I can do better." No.
Hang on. So,
Yeah.
so the scene is they're sitting down. They don't know what to watch on TV.
Uh-huh.
He grabs the remote and puts
I
on
got
football.
something,
Football
yeah.
highlights, yeah.
Of himself.
After a little bit, she's like, "Big man, I'm sorry. This is boring.
Yeah.
let's watch something else.
Mm.
He says,
Bet.
say less.
Say less.
YouTube
Yeah.
finds his own account,
Yeah.
finds a song that he's put on YouTube, plays it, and then just starts rapping along
He's
to it.
looking at her, just rapping along.
Man's
Doing
are
all the
dealing with
adlibs
it,
on
bro.
Walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
Yo. Like, these guys are wild. Mans are wild.
That's jokes.
Oh,
That's jokes. That's jokes.
Oh
We were
man.
kissing and we were
Poor
kissing
ladies.
and he had visible pre-cum on his pants. When I noticed, he said, "I can't help it. You got me wet as fuck.
Nah,
A
bro.
nigga said that?
No.
You got me wet as fuck."
Nah.
He is down.
Wow.
I probably thought he
Imagine,
said
bro.
something there.
Couldn't- Nah, bro.
Nah,
I
that's
couldn't- nah,
impossible.
that's embarrassing. That can't work. That can't
That's
run.
impossible.
That can't run.
Yeah, that's a little
Wet.
strange.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Brother. Come on, man.
Oh
I
my
can't
day.
help it.
Can't help you got me wet, babes.
I'm sopping.
I'm soaking.
Yeah,
man.
Yo, that is
Ah.
too
Drenched down
dope.
there.
Oh, that's actually making me sick.
I'm bare damp.
I'm fucking gushing. Let's go.
I
Yo.
literally tweeted about this 3 days ago, but he asked to use my bathroom and came out with my wig on the first link.
Alright, nigga, you're a weirdo. He thought it was being
He
funny.
sounds like a white rugby brat. Sounds like a white rugby brat. White rugby brat on his first black experience.
Oh,
Saw the
right.
wig and thought, what's this?
I get what he
Put it
did.
on and just came in his underwear.
Yeah, that would have definitely set the mood,
And
right?
the bob was swinging. It
Yo.
was swinging. What's the Edna Mode style? It was
Yo.
swinging. Yeah, yeah. You know, you know exactly what I'm talking about, innit?
Mm-mm.
The thing was, the bob was bobbing.
Yeah, they're so stupid.
That's
Oh
joke.
my god, it's funny because I know what the fuck they're
Oh
talking
my
about.
God.
That is funny.
He was lying about being Blasian, and he got mad when I said I know both of his
Oh my
parents.
god.
Reply. She in quotes, "That's not even my real mum. My real mum is Korean." She wrote,
Oh
"You're
my
black."
God. Why? Like, why is that something to lie about? What is wrong with people,
That's
bro?
too funny.
You're black,
Can
bro.
you imagine?
Like,
Bro,
relax.
you're not Blasian. I know your mum and your dad. That's not even my mum.
That's not my real mum,
my
brother.
mum's Korean. You're black.
Bro, you're black.
Bro, you're black. Shut up.
Yo.
I'm not entertaining this anymore.
Bro.
Shut the fuck up. You're black.
Bro, just don't. How can you lie so obviously?
Ugh.
Mhm.
Anyway,
People do it.
second date, we were making out and we were stopped abruptly, looked me square in the eye and said like a psychopath, "Enough of this nice guy act. I'm ready to fuck." I laughed in his face and left.
What a dumbass.
Audacity, bro.
Enough of this nice guy act.
I'm
Yeah,
ready
that's a
to
little.
fuck.
That's low-key a little scary.
Wow.
That's scary stuff.
That's
Yeah.
scary
That's
stuff.
scary stuff.
Enough of this nice guy stuff.
Nice
Like,
guy
what the fuck
stuff.
do you
Mask on
mean?
anymore. Rub me the tongue now. I've waited all night.
I've waited. It's been.
I'm
2
done my
days.
time.
I'm tired of this.
I'm tired of this nice guy
Yeah.
stuff. I've done bought you food. I've done bought you drinks. We've been to the cinema.
Give me
Run
what
me
I'm
some
owed.
Tom.
Yeah,
That's
rub
wild.
me the puss now.
Man, mid lips, he stopped.
Enough. Enough.
Enough.
Of this. Enough.
This stops now.
I wonder if that worked
This
for him.
stops now.
Yo.
I'm ready to fuck.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Can't take another second of this bullshit. Play bullshit.
Yo.
Fuck, man. That's entitlement. Jesus.
Oh fuck.
Mm.
He brought me to the club with his friends, and one of them told him to go into the bathroom and roll up for him. Even called him a little nigger and everything. Yuck.
It's kind of fucked.
Imagine, James.
Getting his son. They probably did that because he
roll up
brought
for me, little nigga.
he brought a
Told
girl with
him.
him.
Told, and you come to the club with your gal.
Yeah, they probably did that to son him.
Oh,
Those niggas ain't his
Jesus
niggas.
Christ.
I came to his crib real late.
Mm.
He has me waiting outside the car while he's sorry. I come to his crib real late. He has me wait outside in the car while he gets everything set up. I
Gets
walk
everything set
into the
up.
side door of his extremely dark house, and I'm led down the hallway to his room, where I see tea light candles in the hallway, all leading up to his bunk bed.
Yeah, you fucked up, brother.
Oh god.
Bunk
Airbnb.
bed.
You know what I'm saying? Do something different.
Certain man, like that's grim.
It's
but
kinda
at the same
stupid.
time, it's bunk bed niggas have to smash too.
They do.
But
they do.
how old
I
is
need
this
sex
person?
too.
They
It's not my.
do. It's
there's nothing I can
really
do
not
about
my
it.
fault.
Yeah.
It's really
How-
not my
There's
fault that I've
literally
got a
nothing.
sibling.
I've got bare siblings,
I've got
How
bare
old
siblings
is he?
and little room.
and I'm baroque.
I can't move out, but I need the Toms.
I need to smash just as the same as the next guy.
Facts,
These guys are
bro.
fucking
I need
hilarious.
some. Fuck. I need some. Oh, that's torment. We were on our way to my house after the date, and he opened up Safari to play a song on YouTube. The porn he watched earlier started playing at full volume.
Mm.
Yo.
He scrolled to his very first tweet and read them out loud, one by one, for 10 minutes. He was
Why?
crying laughing at the random, pointless tweets from 2012, then looked at me and said, I don't see how you don't think this is funny.
Bitch, you better laugh. Oh, this guy is stupid.
Bro, that would
Yeah,
terrify
people
me.
are so
Don't see
weird.
how you don't think this is funny.
Like,
I'm laughing. Do you
I'm
not see me laughing?
I'm reading past James. This is how I used to think.
yo.
Why aren't you laughing?
Oh, James. That's jokes.
Wow.
Yo.
Where's the context?
Bro.
That's what I'll be screaming. Where's the context?
That's
That's
what
what
I'm
I'll be screaming.
Right, this chick wrote, I went to kiss his neck and he giggled
Oh.
tee-hee.
Nah.
And she put this to Tee-hee.
Yo.
Stop.
I like
That's my tickle spot.
Stop.
Yo,
that's my
these
sensei.
these tweets are taking me the
My
fuck out.
sensei.
Yo, nah, bro. No.
You're an
No.
idiot.
Uh,
My sensei.
man's a
His
tee.
homie told him to come back to him. Sorry. His homie told him to come back him up because he was beefing. So he called some guy and asked to borrow his gun. Dude says, nah, bro, and hung up on him. I was so embarrassed.
I mean, if you don't have a gun, what do you want
Wow.
Nah, bro.
Big man, I need your gun. I need to back something. Nah.
Nah, bro.
Hung up.
to do? So what happens?
Yat's just like, raw.
So you can back him or...
Are you backing him or do you need the
You need the
hardware?
gun. You need the gun stuff.
That's a joke.
Yo.
I have yet another one. We went on a movie date and he showed up in some big ass jeans, some gaiters, a sweater vest, and a Kangol hat. Nigga looked like
Man.
my granddad.
Wow.
A Kangol hat, you know.
Jesus, sweater
Everybody
vest.
needs love, man.
That's impossible.
Sweater
He
vest.
played his mixtape loud as fuck on the way to this movies. Asked the lady if they do student discounts, in brackets, neither of us were students. And then asked me for change to get popcorn at the concession stand.
Whoa.
I said no. And he followed up with, so then what do you carry that bag in? What do you carry in that bag? Sorry.
I mean, that's a legitimate
What do you
question, bro.
carry in that bag?
You got change so I can get some popcorn.
Yeah, bro. Like,
Nah.
the gun just wants to eat some
So what the
popcorn.
fuck is even in there
What's
then?
in the bag
Why
then?
you got the bag then?
Why is it so big?
Fucking
Yo,
bitch.
I'm
That's
dead.
jokes.
You do student discount.
I
Yeah,
used to run that
and he
one.
added-
Oh, in Top
Time.
Man?
Yeah. I
Always.
used to
He
run that
added that
10%
shit
off.
out loud.
That 10% went a long way.
Oh,
It went a long way.
Did you student discount? Oh.
Oh, that's
Yeah, that's a
crushing.
little wild
That's
still.
crushing. That's
Very.
crushing. Went out with a dude who begged me and my girl to come out. He said he was getting the shots because he knew the bartender.
Mm.
Mans came back with one big shot of whiskey, and we supposed to split with 4 people. I bought me and my girl shots and left.
Damn, bro.
That's-
Let me get you, man, some shots.
That's
Just come
icky.
up with a glass thing.
That's icky, bro.
And let's take a sip each.
That's icky, bro.
She said it's fine. I'll get the shots. That's
Oh, yeah, that- I
mortifying.
would
That is
feel
mortifying.
waste.
But
Yo.
yeah,
That was the thread?
That was the thread. of the
that
day.
was way better than I thought it was
Yeah,
going to
that
be.
was the
I'm not
thread
going to
of
lie
the
to you. Way better than I thought it was going to be.
What's up, guys?
Bro, that shit is so funny. Bro, but as I said, man, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.